I don't really have a question. It's just that, I'm really grateful to be here. And if I could have something, I would like, if it's possible, if you could do like...
Now listen to yourself. If I could have something, get out. If it's possible, you've got to be kidding. Were you asleep
I would like
yesterday?
a
The day before?
rampage of
We're playing with you a little bit.
Okay.
But we really want all of you to listen to the power of your words. Your words matter. Your words that reflect your feeling matter. And so we're asking all of you to focus yourself more toward what you want. And so a much more powerful statement would be, Abraham, now you can be polite, if you would be so kind to give me this exact thing that I'm wanting. We're not trying to put words in your mouth. We're trying to take words out of your mouth.
Okay. I would love to be able to very easily and quickly
But before we go there, don't run away from this. Do you believe that all things are possible?
Yes.
And certainly in a setting where you're asking us to do something, but those words, that sort of is the way you approach life, isn't it? Sort of tentatively and meekly, and if it's not too much trouble, universe, I would like to live happily ever after. But I understand if you don't think it's a good idea.
I listen to your tapes a lot. I love to go on YouTube and listen to, find the latest thing that's the rampages.
Have we made you dependent upon us for emotional movement?
I think so. No.
So it's a good time for segment refreshment. And
like, I love when you're speaking with somebody and you...
That's what you wanted. You're sitting out there and that's what you wanted? That's what was on your mind? Just raised your hand because it was nothing personal, really, nothing. In other words, it was just, or did you?
I think that sometimes I can.
You are the creator of your own reality. What do you want to create? Because we'll rampage here all day long. We do. Yeah. We want you to make this personal to you. We want you to take this opportunity to help there be movement within you vibrationally. You have a vortex full of things that you are not moving toward. Wouldn't you like to talk about something in a way that moves you toward them? Wouldn't you like some movement within you rather than just listening to Esther receive Abraham in a rampage? Wouldn't you like some movement within you about something that matters to you? Wouldn't you?
Yes.
You see what we're getting at? Because you are not an observer of life, you are a creator of life. You're not a spectator, you're someone who wants to get your hands in the clay. And we pinpointed as we began here what's really going on, because you don't ask for much for yourself. Not much beyond what you've already got. Isn't there something beyond where you are that you would like to focus into place?
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's everything. It's not.
Well, that's blurred vision, isn't it? When you try to look at everything at once, try it.
No,
try
it's
it.
true.
Try to look at everything at once.
It's true.
Just look everywhere at once. Look everywhere. We're serious. Look everywhere. Look everywhere at once. What are you seeing? Not
It's
anything.
True. Yeah.
Not anything. Focus somewhere.
Okay. I'll be honest with you. Sometimes I feel if I say something,
You can't help but be honest. You know why? Because it's not your words, it's your vibration, and they're always honest.
I feel like sometimes if I say something then and ask a question, then I'm sort of opening that can of worms, and then that's, and I don't mean, it's not a fear, but
well,
somehow...
you want to open the can of worms of all the good worms.
Yeah, if they're like gold worms or something.
Golden worms.
But it's just so wonderful, life and just all of this.
Golden worms.
And I feel a connection with Abraham. Like, I feel like I knew I was going to be picked there. It's like yesterday or last time.
So maybe that's what this was all about. You just knew you were going to be picked.
No, I just,
well,
I'm really
this
thankful.
conversation, all the conversations, the one before and this one, it's all about focus. And you all are a leading edge group. You are in the process of mastering your deliberate flow of vibration for the purpose of matching up with law of attraction. And so, really, when you have an opportunity to visit with someone like us who has clear knowledge of what's in your vortex, don't you want to talk about that?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So what would you recommend?
We are appreciating you more than we can even begin to explain.
Okay.
Really. All is very well. You'll hear so much more as we are moving forward. So, you all feel more like you understand focus than ever before, don't you? Yes? Yes, right here.